Hello everyone. If you are facing problem of muscle and bone pain and if you are lethargic and sluggish too, then this video is for you. Our today's video is on special request from one of our subscribers, Shinaz Raw, and is about vitamin D deficiency. Thanks for your support and query. Therefore, I do recommend to watch this life-changing video completely. So let's get started. Approximately 1 billion people worldwide are vitamin D deficient, also known as sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D deficiency comes in two ways. One is less consumption of nutrients due to any disease. Other is lacking of proper sunlight exposure, which is responsible for the production of this vitamin in our body. Coming towards symptoms of vitamin D deficiency, vitamin D helps in proper muscle contraction and bone tissue replacement. Therefore, deficiency of this vitamin can cause pain in muscles and bone tissue softening. Vitamin D enhances the absorption of dietary calcium and phosphate, so maintain the normal blood, tissue and bone levels of calcium. Therefore, vitamin D deficiency may result in osteomalacia, rickets, and impaired muscle functions. Muscle pain and bone pain together results in restlessness in the body. This condition is usually unresponsive to all other medical treatments. Most of the time, fatigue is linked with a couple of other reasons. However, the deficiency of vitamin D may be one of the reasons for sluggish body. This condition is usually also unexplained by other medical conditions and is also non-responsive to other medical treatments. Vitamin D is involved in energy production of body, and if you are fatigued even after setting your odds, then vitamin D may be the culprit. Next in the list is depression or mood disorders. Vitamin D is associated with vitamin D receptors in the brain. A couple of studies show the presence of association between vitamin D and mood disorders like schizophrenia. Person may suffer Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The link between less exposure to sunlight and depressive disorder is known since centuries. This may explain the mood disorders more during winter season as compared to summer. A clinical study of 6,000 people with less vitamin D levels reported the sadness and loneliness. Therefore, vitamin D is important for good mood swings. Number 4 is reoccurrence of infections. Vitamin D deficiency is also associated with reoccurrence of infection and inflammation. There are strong evidences and clinical studies showing the link between infection and vitamin D deficiency. When our body consumes sufficient amount of vitamin D, it stabilizes the functioning of immune system, thus help in getting rid of infection. The research shows a decreased inflammatory marker C-reactive protein with high levels of vitamin D. Thus, body ability to cope with infection is increased in the presence of vitamin D. Number 5 is cardiovascular diseases. The most ignored and less discussed factor for cardiovascular issues is deficiency of vitamin D. However, there are some evidences of association of heart problems with vitamin D deficiency. According to one report, low levels are likely to be linked with the high blood pressure. A number of other studies show that the risk factor of heart failure, stroke, and other heart complications is doubled in the presence of low levels of vitamin D. It seems there is good coordination between vitamin D and sleep. The particular mechanism is uncertain, but vitamin D is thought to trigger the vitamin D receptors in brain. The poor triggering of these receptors may disturb the sleep pattern. Therefore, vitamin D is necessary for good sleep. Coming towards treatment, a range of vitamin D international units known as IU are required for different age groups. In infants and children below age 18, 400 to 1000 IU of vitamin D are required per day. On the other hand, for the persons of age above 18, 1500 to 2000 international units are required per day. This vitamin can be obtained by supplements. After taking these supplements, you feel good because of your bones and muscle health. However, after some time, if you leave taking vitamin D, the symptoms reappear. Naturally, vitamin D can be obtained by different means. Sunlight is one of the most easy and common sources of vitamin D. Exactly, sunlight is not producing this vitamin. This is our skin which produces vitamin D3 from precursor 7-dehydrocholesterol in the presence of sunlight. This vitamin D3 goes through different metabolic pathways and then is used in the body. 3 ounces of trout and salmon contain nearly 600 international units of vitamin D along with other nutrients. White mushrooms are next in the list, and half cup of this contains 350 international units. Other dietary substances containing vitamin D are almond, milk, eggs, liver and cheese. Therefore, consuming these products may counter the vitamin D deficiency. However, if you are still feeling the symptoms of deficiency after consuming these products, then consult doctor or pharmacist of your community. At the end, hope so you liked this video. Please share and subscribe and stay healthy with us. Bye bye.